Hi guys, welcome back to the channel to Unboxing Addict. Today we're showing you the brand new iPhone 13 mini and iPhone 13 Pro. As you can see, the packaging has changed a little, and that's because it's become more sustainable. It no longer has the plastic that covers it all, but a simple little plastic that verifies if the iPhone has been opened or not. Now let's get to the interesting part. Let's open first the iPhone 13 mini. There we go. It's pink as you can see, and it's actually a really beautiful color. Let's leave it aside and see what comes in the box. As always, we have the little box that comes inside, first with the SIM card removal tool, and then the specifications in Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese. And finally, the Apple sticker. Let's leave this aside and continue with the USB-C to Lightning cable. We still have 1 meter long, and well, here you can see both ports. And that would be it. Now let's take our iPhone and let's get to the magical moment. As we can see, the size continues being smaller. There's just a little difference in the position of the buttons, and the biggest improvements are on the camera. Now let's take our iPhone 13 Pro and open it like the iPhone 13 mini. Now let's get to it. And here it is, the Sierra blue color, which is also great. Let's leave it aside and get also the specifications, which are pretty much the same as in the iPhone 13 mini. So let's get rid of them, and well, here we have also the Lightning to USB-C cable. It's also 1 meter long and, well, here you can see both ports too. Now let's get our iPhone and start with the magical moment. This model comes with a bigger size than the iPhone 13 mini, of course, and the cameras are, well, shockingly bigger than in the iPhone 12. Before I forget, I will tell you that we will be unboxing very interesting products soon in the channel, as the iPhone 4S. Yes, the iPhone 4S with the iOS 5. So don't forget, subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications so that you don't miss it. And we're back with the iPhones. In the first place, we have the iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra Blue with 128 gigabytes, which will be the one I keep, and then the iPhone 13 mini in pink, also with 128 gigabytes. And starting with the differences, apart from the size of course, there's a clear difference between the back of the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 mini. While the first one has a matte back, as you can see, the iPhone 13 mini has a glossy back. It's also important to highlight that the iPhone 13 Pro offers a faster and more responsive experience. It has a new ultra-wide camera powered by A15 Bionic, the most powerful ever. It also has Dolby Vision with 4K and ProRes, only available on iPhone and for the very first time. And of course the LiDAR scanner. Sadly, we have nothing of this on the iPhone 13 mini. About the front side, we have finally a smaller notch, just a little smaller, but it's a good start. Now let's turn them on. Both screens have 120 Hz and 1200 nits, which means it's much brighter and that we can see the screen outside with no problem. And here we have them ready with the nice iOS 15. And just as a reminder, they both have 5G connection and well, there's a little difference in the battery. The iPhone 13 Pro has a 22-hour battery and the iPhone 13 mini has a 17-hour battery. So if you're someone who uses the iPhone all day long, I recommend you buying the iPhone 13 Pro, which is the one I will keep. And as Apple says, one more thing. Here we have the cases for both iPhones, the one for iPhone 13 Pro and the one for iPhone 13 mini, which I will leave here to start with the first one. In this case, I chose the golden brown iPhone 13 leather case with MagSafe. Let's open it. And here it is. As always, we have here some quick guides and instructions. And here you can see the MagSafe ring so that the iPhone adjusts to it and charges the battery in the most efficient way. Now let's put our iPhone inside. And Babs, your uncle, here we have our brand new iPhone ready to use and fully protected. Now let's take the other case. It's the Blue Jay iPhone 13 mini silicone case with MagSafe. This one comes protected as the iPhones. Alright. Let's get it outside the box. And here we have it. We can also see the MagSafe ring in this one so that the iPhone 13 mini adjusts to it. And there we have the unique sound of the original MagSafe accessories. And there it is, our iPhone 13 mini also ready to use. And that would be it for today. Thanks for watching, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next video.